With Blinds for You, measuring for your new blind is easy. Just follow this step-by-step guide, taking care to double-check as you go along. This guide is for all perfect fit blind types including perfect fit Venetians and perfect fit pleated blinds. Step 1. Measure the distance between the edge of the window beading and any obstacles such as handles. This needs to be more than 6 mm. Step 2. Measure the rubber beading length it extends into the glass area. This needs to be less than 6 mm. Step 3. To measure the depth of the window from glass to beading, place your bank card over the corner of the window or door frame. Measure the distance from the glass to the card. Typically the bead depth is between 18 to 24 mm, but goes up to 38 mm. Step 4. Measure the width and drop of the visible glass area. That is from where the glass meets the rubber beading to the other side. Do this in 3 points. Top, middle, bottom for the width. Then left, right, and center for the drop, and take the shortest distance for each. Once you have completed all of these steps, you will be ready to order your new perfect fit blinds. If you need any more help with measuring, get in touch with our team by email, live chat or by phone.